And just don't stop here, nigga. Yeah. 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 Dreams are so true. You gotta follow them, I'm telling you. You gotta follow your dreams. You just gotta, you have to. Fuck it. Back when I was young, I had dreams of getting richer, and my homie Grease got me down, drew me to the picture. I was with some wild niggas. Put me on the games, homie. If you're trying to make your move, you gotta know your lane, homie. All you got your name, and your works will never break it. For this type, you pay a price, you get a chance, you gotta take it. Cause most niggas never make it. They stranded where I'm from. Ain't no conversation, all they understand is get a gun. I was grinding in my bottle of beer, hoping I could make it out. Selling pizza for the weed, avoid the police right off the street. Maybe in the day before I had all this paper, before I had all these diamonds, before I had all these haters. I remember when I saw it, and to me it was stunning. I remember when I bought it, I ain't needed or nothing. I was in a different state, somehow they labeled me a goner. I was growing off of nowhere, I'm straight up off the corner. Everywhere we go, they probably know my name cause I've been there. Everywhere we go, they probably much I spend when I'm in there. And I'm throwing up my money, laying ones who never made it, saying fuck the ones who hated, throwing up and celebrating. Let's get medicated, medicated. Yeah, let's get medicated. Man, I'm hella faded. I'm hella faded. I'm hella faded. I'm hella faded. I'm telling you, follow your fucking dreams.